Hi, I'm Ajay Jain. My teammates and I created Reader, a cross-platform educational application. Reader can be thought of as Google Docs for ebooks. On the home screen, I can see my library. These books include a chemistry textbook and Romeo and Juliet. Often, as a student, I take annotations in the margins of the books I'm reading. Last year, as a freshman in high school, my English class and I read Romeo and Juliet. The problem was that the annotations I was taking and those that my classmates were taking were not shared between the rest of the class. Reader aims to help students share their comments.
In June, we won Evernote's first place prize at Angel Hack SV for our two-way synchronization with Evernote. In my freshman literature class, we read Romeo and Juliet. I'll select that now. Here, I can read the play just like I would read any other PDF, except it's in the browser. I can add a comment. If I select a paragraph, then the annotation bar shows up at the bottom of the screen. I can also add other forms of annotations, including videos and images. In Evernote, I created a note about the background of Romeo and Juliet earlier. If I want to add this image into Reader, I can import it from the Images pane. I select Evernote, and previously I connected my account. Then, Reader will extract out the picture from the background note. Let's look at this from another user's perspective. Let's say another student is reading Romeo and Juliet on their tablet at the same time. They can view the annotations I made previously. At this point, the other user can add a question they have. They add the annotation. If I go back to my portal, where I am logged in, then I can view their question in real time. This question appeared immediately on my screen, so it's almost as if we're in a classroom together. And the annotation appears on both of our screens. At this point, if I want to export this note to Evernote, I can select that option. Then when I refresh my Evernote portal, I can view the exported note. This is like a study guide, except it's created by the class. In addition to standard books and plays, Reader also offers several textbooks from CK12, including this chemistry concepts book. Instead of doing my standard notes in a separate notebook, I can add notes in Reader. I was watching this video on YouTube about the structure of water, and I'll add it back into the Reader application. From the annotations bar, I'll select the YouTube option and paste in the URL. This will embed the YouTube video for other people to view. Reader adds powerful collaborative features to Evernote. It can be used by students studying anything from Romeo and Juliet to chemistry to any other subject. Reader allows for export to Evernote and import from Evernote, and is a boon to any student trying to study.